I'm bored as fuck though.
Chilling.
No
At
hoe.
the crib.
Chillin' with this fuck nigga.
You already know. But you the fucking not.
You know you can't hear shit, bro. You gotta be like right here to listen to shit. Exit your ass out, nigga. I'm the fucking main star, bitch. Cut, nigga. Hell no.
Who on the camera now? Not you.
He was ugly. Look at that pimple. Look at that big ass one right there. That shit is motherfucking 3D, bro.
Zoom in on that ass chin. Don't cover it. You need toilet paper.
Hell no. What? Look at this house. We got a motherfucking mansion, bro.
An empty mansion.
This is an empty ass mansion
Yes, it is.
with one nigga in it. One mansion, one
A
nigga.
stranded nigga.
That gets more hoes than you. We on that Bar Marley shit.
Put your lighters up.
Put your lighters up. Oh, look, put that Jamaican shit on. Beanie Man. That's my nigga. This is fucking whack. Computer slow as a bitch. This computer faster than you.
No, I got a new one.
I'm talking faster than you, nigga. This is a rude boy, child.
Rude boy town. Let me tell you about the rude boy town. I'm on the youth of today. Not for tomorrow.
You look at your long ass neck.
Not for tomorrow. Why we got the youth that say, pull it, chica them will pull it. Nothing on your head back with a pass at them pull it. No, if not but now me and me, neither now guess with it. Like this one can rule it, don't bother bet with it. On the borderline in the sun me a set with it. If a shadow move it dead, me not take no check with it. Bullet in your heart, the stop you can't take a step with it. Neither a with it, leave your life blessed with it.
What's that? Oh, you see that one nigga? Yeah, True Life. He's like,